by random people. Sorry, I don't know if it's oh, okay. So we'll be up in the car with my brother and my
Did you lock the doors?
Sister. Yes, I guess lock the doors. Yes, lock the doors. You apparently don't respect me, TikTok.
I feel yours.
Sorry, I'm looking over. Sorry that I'm looking over here. It's just trying to check, lock myself.
That's a lie.
I'm trying to find out if it's vertical like this or this way, because my mom's my touch here.
Holy shit.
What did you say, McKinley? Ooh. No, random video. So, just, my mom got a mysterious GameStop. We are all wondering what it is. Like, I bet it's from GameStop. Never know.